quite windy. So yeah, a lot of pushing. Got a little shoot, little falcon came through too. Speaking of bird, up and down. Put down not getting like a good record on them. I'm running all over the place. Just try to get me a good record. It's ready to come down. Hello, windy. Bird wanna act up. Scared to get hit. You know, start turning, hit. That one flying super high. That one's deep bird. It's okay. Let them do what they gotta do. Yeah, they love on that street. They get better depth on that side. Got a lot of tree around here. Yeah, a little bit, little too windy today. Be flying them, but it's all right. It's a good time to be training them in the wind, just in case. You know, like to fly a windy day. You know, just best experience for the bird. Same family. All these are brother and sister. They seem to, work together a lot. Like, last 2 weeks I lost about 5 hens. I don't know where they go, what happened. Maybe a hawk got them. Who knows? But it's alright. Maybe it's just time for them not to be home. So there we go. Yeah. I seem to love this type of wind though. I see the family fly through, very windy day, I enjoy loving them, watching them, having air flight, feel them a lot. So, just try to update everybody how's the bird doing. Try to get ready for World Cup fly, for my fall flight, pick and choose, and I fly a lot of brothers and sisters up here, but still get them used to the atmosphere, especially during a windy day. Got hot come by, but it just drive right through. That's very good for one. Birds seem to need more airtime, so I could actually catch up with everybody that flying the bird very well. Just don't have that enough time weekend to push them up, losing a lot of bird. Got a young team coming up. They're flying, but I haven't pushed them hard enough with the 2020 birds. So I'm just doing whatever I can now. Yeah, I burned up on that side. Let's try to keep him around. Every time west, so it's telling them, stay around the house. It's windy, they push them back up, instead trying to go too far or get blown off. Just trying to keep them top of the house. Instead of bird going too far and get blown off and lose them, Birds doing really well in wind. Very good sign. Keeping it real well. Got no worry about it. Yeah, they just love it. Right when they hit the top of the house and everybody wanna pop and roll. Everybody just wanna drop and roll. See them pop this one. Little muff guy right there. Doing really well. Yeah, they love it up here. love it. Be careful, man. You're gonna stab yourself through that tanner, guys. Oh, all right. I'll keep you guys updated. We'll see how they do the next flight. Yeah, they're ready to come down. So, all right. Peace out, yo.